Zoom standard. Zoom standard. If you have a problem with your calculator, Zoom standard. All right. It'll always take you back to a 10 by 10 screen. All right. Now I'm going to work with you on 26 so you can see how I would prefer that you type it into your calculator, make it easier. All right. So please watch now how I would want you to do number 26. Please look. Very simple. All right. First and foremost, for number 26, I would want you to write 2y equals 4 minus 3x. Notice I'm using my calculator, so I don't care where the x goes. I'm just moving it over. All right? Then I have to do what? Divide by 2, right? So now I'm going to write y equals 4 minus 3x divided by 2. That's how it should be going under your calculator as y1. All right? Please look what I just said. Don't get, you should know that anyway. All right, but that's how I would want it on your calculator. Does everybody see that? Now I don't have to worry about all the fractions. Does everybody agree? All right, so now let's look at number 26. I'm sorry, let's look at B. All right, so I moved the 8x. I don't care that the y is negative. All right, so it's going to be negative 3y is equal to negative 6 plus 8x. If you want to put the 8x in front, it's okay. All right, then what? We take the divide by negative 3. So the second equation is going to be parentheses negative 6 plus 8x divided by negative 3. Does everybody agree? That's much easier than doing a bunch of fractions. Yeah. All right, so now this goes in for y1 and this goes in for y2. Now I don't have my calculator up on the screen anymore, so you have to do it at your desk. And then you have to tell me what the answer is. All right? So, y1, y2, what? What is the answer? I'm looking for the answer. What is the answer? 0, comma 2. I don't know what you need to, what's the matter? You keep getting what? I don't know what that means. Did you type in this under y1? You got the answer. All right. Be patient with yourself. All right. Lots of ways to make careless mistakes. Learn something new. All right. Anybody have any questions with that? Anybody? Everybody okay with 0, comma 2? What? You got it? All right. Now look, if you don't have your calculator, that's okay as well. I want you to write down y1 equals, y2 equals, and then please get yourself a calculator. If you're having trouble getting a calculator, come see me. I mean it. Anybody have any questions with that? What?
Okay, so for this section, we only do this kind of stuff.
Yes, that's what we're doing. Yes, because I want you to use the calculator. All right, so here we go with 27. All right, everybody's looking at 27. Yes, sir, good.
I have like a syntax error.
Yeah.
Syntax error means you probably put a minus instead of a negative.
Oh.
Right? That's all that means. All right? Now, I have 427. I don't know if that's what I wanted there or not. Is that?
Yeah.
Oh, I just marked it there. Is that what it is?
No, there's just a line.
Is it supposed to be? Because I changed one of these for some reason.
I thought they were just the same color. They are. I thought you accidentally.
Oh, yeah. That's what I did. So I want you to put a plus here. I want everybody to put a plus there.
Where?
That should have been negative 8x plus 3y. Because I think I did realize I put the same answer. So all I did was just changed. All right, so that I want to be plus 3y. Connor, you should be 100% here. You able to use your calculator? You have your calculator with you? You need to. I'm sure your parents would get you one. Get it. It's been a semester almost. All right. So here we go. I have. Oh, I know what. Solving 3, I'm sorry, it would be 2y equals 4 minus 3x, agreed? And so y1 would be parentheses 4 minus 3x divided by 2. Is everybody agreeing with that? All right, now I have 3y equals negative 6 plus 8x. y2 equals negative 6 plus 8x divided by what?
3.
Divided by 3. Everybody hear me? On your calculator now. Thank you, Ryan. Type it in under y1 and under y2. And I do appreciate everybody in here who's helping their neighbor. All right? If somebody doesn't have one, have a graphing calculator. It's very nice of you. All right? Then go second, calc, intersection, enter, enter, enter. And then tell me what the answer is. 0.56. Yeah. All right, that's what's going to be on the test. It's going to be something where it's not obvious. All right? Yes, come on, try it and see. Listen, if you don't know, practice. If you're not sure about you're not going to break the calculator. Anybody have any issues with that? Connor, I want you solving all of these, not talking. Now I want to take a look at 28, and then I'm done. All right, you can finish up. All right. So here we go. I have negative 4y equals 3 minus 3x. Now I'm purposely doing it a little different because I want to see how you're reacting. And I want to make sure you understand, look, I'm not doing anything different. It's just the order doesn't matter. And then what? y1 is equal to parentheses 3 minus 3x divided by negative 4. And don't get a syntax error. Syntax error means you have a negative instead of a minus, or a minus instead of a negative. I don't know what that means. How come we didn't change the sign? Because I'm letting the calculator do the work, James. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Or I'm doing it a little different for a reason. Normally, I would move the 4y over, subtract 3, and then divide by 4. But I'm trying to get you to realize it doesn't matter how I solve the problem. I'm isolating the y. And because I'm letting the calculator do the work, the calculator can divide by negative 4 and it's not going to make a mistake. You see what I'm trying to tell you, right? So the calculator is doing the work. I'm not doing the work. The calculator. So all I'm doing is isolating the y. That's all I'm doing. All right? So now I have negative 3y equals parentheses 11 minus 4x. y2 equals 11 minus 4x divided by negative 3. And what is it?
5, 3.
Somebody said 5, 3. Does anybody believe that?
Yeah, that's
That doesn't mean it's right.
Wait, no, it's me.
All right, 5, 3 is probably the answer.
Problem.
All right, probably the answer. All right, now, again, how many people still don't own a calculator? Okay, so you need definitely get one. You don't have one.
I just forgot.
Okay, well you're gonna get one, right?
I don't know. I have one. I just use big batteries.
Get it.
I know.
No excuses. Yeah, look, listen. I really don't feel like calling your mom again. All right. So I'm not babysitting. So tell it to your parents and tell them to get it done because you're not going to get a very good grade on your next test. All right? Get the calculator. Good. I appreciate it. All right? I appreciate it. So now, listen, I'm done for today. Your job is to make sure you know how to get the calculator, get all of it done. I also need you to do this. Quiet, please. I also want all of this worksheet done. All of it for tomorrow. All right? If you don't have a graphing calculator, come in the morning and see me. All right? And maybe I don't have any more because they were all stolen last year. People borrowed them and didn't give them back to me. All right?